Welcome back to our channel Girls Satisfaction. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and click the little bell to turn on the post notifications to get notified when a new video is posted. Once you do those two things, comment done below. On this channel we will discuss health, beauty, fitness and nutrition so you can fit into that fashionable dinner dress, or if you are just looking to live a healthier, beautiful life. In today's video you will learn the top beauty secrets that every person should know. Ready? Let's get started. If you're unhappy with the way you look, your feelings can seep into many other aspects of your life. That's why it's important to take the time to cultivate an appearance you can be proud of. In this video, you'll find a number of tips that will boost your confidence and leave you looking more beautiful. Natural beauty is very important to many people. It is essential to keep in mind that beauty comes from the inside as well. Having a healthy body that glows is what underlines beauty and accentuates it. The lifestyles we lead and the food we eat play a major role in inner beauty. Even if you have greasy skin, you should apply moisturizer to it, at least, when you go to bed. Oil on your face may lead you to believe that you have an excessive amount of moisture in your skin, but that is not the kind of moisture that your skin needs, in order to remain healthy. Do you live in a cold, dry winter climate? Find a winter-specific conditioner for your hair to help lock in moisture and prevent that annoying static cling to everything. Use in place of your regular conditioner as soon as you start to notice dry air, and discontinue use in the springtime. Create the illusion of less deep-set eyes by using lightly colored eyeshadow to the entire eyelid. The light colors will appear to come forward, whereas a darker liner or shadow would have the reverse effect, making the eyes appear to recede further into the face. The color you apply should be light and very subtle. Keep a small tube of hand cream in your purse to use as a hair tamer on a bad hair day. In the summer, use a tiny amount of hand cream, and run it through your hair. The tips of your fingers will tame the frizz. In the winter, put a dime-size amount of hand cream on your hands, and smooth it over your hair to eliminate static. If you are having problems keeping your lipstick from feathering and bleeding, try this trick. As you apply your foundation, base, or tinted moisturizer to your face, cover your lips in a thin layer of the product as well. This will serve as a sort of primer on which your lipstick can bind and remain steadfast. Beauty always starts with feeling good about yourself. If you don't feel confident about your body or level of fitness, then you must start off by getting yourself to the gym. By just using 3 to 4 hours per week of your time, you will improve your physical appearance and feel more confident. Apply cream to your eyes every night. The skin around your eyes is delicate, and not as thick as the skin elsewhere on your face. This makes the skin around your eyes more prone to be lined and dry. Keeping the skin moist is a simple solution to that beauty problem. Steam your face. You can do this by placing your face over a hot bowl of water with a towel over your head. This will open up your pores and draw out impurities and bacteria. You should clean your face, then rinse it with cold water so you close your pores back up. No one should have to feel ashamed of their own appearance. This video will help you to be proud of who you are, both inside and out. Start trying out these tips and developing a regular beauty routine. When you put a little extra effort into your appearance, the results can be astounding. That concludes today's video on the top beauty secrets that every person should know. Thanks for watching and hope you found this video informative. If you did, go ahead and like, share and then comment what you liked about this video. See you on the next video.